What's up guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Blake. Today I'll be showing you all how to make homemade Supreme Crunchwraps. So let's get into this. So for this recipe, what you're gonna need is ground turkey, taco seasoning, tostadas, cheese, lettuce, tomato, burrito flour, tortilla shells, and sour cream. First things first, you have to start chopping your vegetables. Now that all your vegetables are chopped up as so, it's time to get cooking. Now it's time to cook the meat. So before you do anything, you want to take a little bit of oil and put it in your pan to prevent the meat from sticking. Also, in addition to that, I like to add garlic powder, seasoned salt, and black pepper to my meat for extra flavor. So I've added the oil in my pan to make it slippery. But then also now what you want to do is add the meat in there now that everything's heated up too. It's time to get cooking. So while this is cooking, you want to add in your seasonings if you choose to season your meat. Add a fair amount of each seasoning. Then continue to cook it so. Continue to cook this until it's completely brown. And while it's cooking, you want to chop it up into small pieces. This is what your meat should look like when it's all brown. Next, you want to add the taco seasoning into your meat and follow the instructions on the back as so. This is what your meat looks like after you follow the instructions on the taco seasoning packet. Next, you want to put your flour tortilla shell in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds to soften the shell. Now that you've taken your tortilla shell out of the microwave, you have to add the ingredients in this order. Add a layer of cheese first. Make sure it's spread out too. Then add a layer of meat. Now add a tostada shell on top. Spread a thin layer of sour cream on top. Once it's spread, add lettuce and tomato on top. Finally, add another layer of cheese on top. After all the ingredients are put on, you're going to take the whole Crunchwrap and put it on a preheated stove top like I have, or use a skillet. Now proceed to fold all the edges around the tortilla. Now that I've folded all the edges, leave it on the grill until it's brown on the bottom. I've checked the bottom and it's brown, so now it's time to plate your dish. Now it's time to taste that product. Blake approves. Thanks for watching, and like always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out some of my other videos that I've made. And also, I'll see you on the next one.